Where my people at? Where my people at? It's a beautiful day out here. Brian Honda. Y'all know what it is. Come on out. You know we doing some crazy deals. We've been doing it all month long. We got Honda Corporate is here. They giving away promotional money. They helping us, put deals together, people that need help assisting in trading their vehicles. So we really got it going on here. True money, helping you come out of a vehicle and go into a newer vehicle. Y'all know we've been doing this for years, helping people get into something, especially when people think they can't get a vehicle. You know what I'm saying? They don't think they can get a vehicle. So, please come on down here, Joe Davis of Brian Honda. You can reach me directly on my cell phone, 910-808-2245, 910-808-2245. Or you can reach me on my email, jdavis@brianhonda, jdavis@brianhonda.com. Again, we're doing a big promotion here. Yes, everybody, come on down here and let's see if we can make it happen for you.